Hi guys, so let's talk about how to market your freelance writing services. I'm focusing on freelance writing, but these are the tips I'm going to give can also apply to other freelance gigs, whether it is transcription, data entry, web design, and all that. So guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, freelancing videos, personal development, and personal finance. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, please remember to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this video or anything else that you would like me to cover. So let's get into the video. So the first the first place where you can advertise your freelance writing services is putting your profile on different freelance websites, and my favorite is Upwork because that is where I have worked for some time. That is what has worked for me. But we also have Fiverr, we also have People Per Hour, we have freelancer.com, and many others out there. So now this is my Upwork profile. Of course, for you to be able to be approved, you need to make sure that your profile is at 100% completeness. Yeah, the way you see it here. And then also you need to, let me go to my profile. The internet is a bit slow, so you need to make sure that your profile is completed fully. So by this is of course a short bio about yourself, work history, that will come automatically after you have completed a job on Upwork. And then a portfolio, of course, previous clients, those are those that may not be on Upwork but you have worked with them. And then your skills, you might have to mention your skills. And then testimonials, certifications, employment history, and other experiences, of course, related to the skill that you want to get jobs in. If it is writing, it has to be related with writing, this other experience. So now, and also under other experience, you can also indicate that you have worked somewhere else other than Upwork, like I did here. I worked on freelancer.com, I worked on iwriter.com. So that is how your Upwork profile is supposed to be. And of course, after you have created a profile, after it has been approved, now you can come and search for those jobs on Upwork. Like I said in my previous video, whenever I come to Upwork, I first go to my feed. Under my feed, like you see this one, there is a previous client, and one of the best ways of getting work, by the way, is applying to previous clients. As long as you did a good job and you didn't part on a bad note, you can always go back and ask them for work. And if you apply and you had in fact, just recently, actually like 2 days ago, a client that I had worked before that is 4 years ago, sent me an invite to apply to her job. And definitely that is a job that I'm sure of getting, because now the client is familiar with my writing and all that. So I come to my feed, check if the system has selected any jobs for me. If not, or if there is nothing that I can handle, I come to most recent. So these are the jobs that have been posted most recently. Of course, I will check and see anyone that I can tackle perfectly, and then also check the rates if they're ideal for me, and then also check if they have a verified payment method. So those are the jobs that I will apply to, most recent. Yeah. On Upwork, you can also come and search for job in specific areas. For example, if you are good with automotive content, you can just come here and search automotive writer, and see what the system brings. social manager for automotive blog, great writer for an RV camping website, write guest posts and publish in high traffic. So you see, you can always search specific jobs. You can also, if you are good with cryptocurrency, you can come here and type crypto writer. Then search. So professional crypto articles writer, you see, write articles on crypto, AI, trading, create short German. So this is one of the best ways, I think, if you are looking for jobs in a specific niche. This is the best way to go about it on Upwork. So that is about Upwork and how you can create a profile and start looking for jobs. So another way in which you can market yourself is by creating a profile on LinkedIn. So after creating a profile on LinkedIn, this is my profile. You can see my photo. Of course, it has to be a bit professional, of course, with a smile. Don't be too serious. You will chase away the possible clients. And then this open to work actually lets clients know that you are open to some work. So make sure it is there. And then spell out your services very well. Expert SEO content writer. I help blog owners write high quality and SEO optimized content that drives quality traffic within 30 days. So that is my topic, or what I offer. And then of course go through the whole process of completing your profile. About, now you explain further what you have just mentioned there. You can see mine. Don't just write 2 sentences. This is where you'll also give your experience of past jobs and all that. And then experience, of course, where you have worked before. I have worked as a blogger at happybabyhappymummy.com. I've worked at Upwork, and so here I have attached my Upwork profile. I have worked for topproducts.com as a staff writer, and then so I share all these and then also put a link, so that if a prospective client wants to check out my work, they can simply click the link and go to where I have posted them. So one thing about LinkedIn, by the way, for you to be able to get a job here, you have to be proactive. So you have to share your content in particular niches that you want to write in to get clients in. So you share your content, and then also make sure that you are commenting on other people's content. Make sure you're answering questions. You can also join groups. Let me see. So I have joined some groups here. Let me check. LinkedIn and writers. So these groups, you will find that sometimes they even advertise work. They also give some tips on how to land a client. They also give just general tips for writers and all that. So join those groups. Also, another thing that you need to do on that you can do on so we also have copywriting. Yeah, so you make sure you join them or follow them. And then another thing that you can do is to simply come here and search for freelance writer. Freelance writer. And a bunch of jobs will populate, so you can simply choose the one that you want to apply to. Freelance writer, newspaper publishing, Atlanta. Freelance writer, self-employed, freelance writer and editor. So you simply come and click on this job here. so that you can read all the details about it and see if it is something that you can do and apply to it. So that is how you can land a client on LinkedIn. But remember, the more active you are on this platform, the better your chances of even being noticed in the search results. Because when a client comes, of course, they search and find those writers that are available to work, or those that are a good fit. So make sure you are active on it, comment on relevant posts, post your own things, and make sure that you are signing into LinkedIn most of the time, as in more often. Yeah, so that is it about LinkedIn. Another way to find clients for your freelance writing jobs, for your freelance writing career, is by joining Facebook groups, relevant Facebook groups, not just Facebook groups. My current favorites are this one. So we have Remarkable Freelance Writers in Africa. Why I love this group is that it is one group that is very active. And then also the admin there, Katrina McMahon. Yeah, the admin there is very active, and she keeps members on toes. Actually, you can even request for someone to go and view your content wherever you have posted it, whether it is on Medium, whether it's on LinkedIn, or your blog, and then they can give you a review and even offer some corrections if there are any. So I feel that is something good, especially for those who are upcoming. But anyway, even advanced writers, I don't think there is a time that you feel that you are very confident to tackle every work that comes your way. Sometimes there is the imposter syndrome, which even the best writers feel at a particular time. So being in such a group, I think it's of great help. Also in this group, the admin also invites clients, so you are at a better chance of landing a client in this group. Another group that is my current favorite is Cult of Copy. Where is it? Cult of Copy job board. Let me just search for it here. So the best thing about this group is that at any given point you will see clients posting their looking for writers. Yeah, so like 5 hours ago there is this one looking for an email copywriter. We are hiring email copywriter, direct response copywriter, good quality content. So you will find that we have both clients and freelancers looking for work and offering work on this particular Facebook group. So when you join, of course, take your time, study it, see how people are posting, and then dig in. And then by the way, when it comes to Facebook groups, you don't have to just use those two only. You can come to Google and do a simple Google search on best Facebook groups for freelancers. And then it will populate several groups that you can. Of course, I'm not telling you to go and join each and every one of them. Yeah, that will may make you, I don't know. Of course, it's not a good idea to join like 10 groups at a go. You just choose the best ones. So what you can do, maybe even if you join like let's say these 8 of them, these 8 Facebook groups, of course you will go and just survey, see how things are done there. If you feel it is overwhelming, if it is not helping you, you just exit. And you can also just exit and try another one. So I hope you can try any of this. You can see Cult of Copies are among them, and yeah, so make sure you go and try this, and let me know how it goes. So for now, there are so many ways to get clients. Actually, there are so many ways to get clients. You can also pitch to them directly. Also, just simply come to Google and look and search for where to get freelance writing jobs, or companies hiring freelance writers. Yeah, so you can, when you come here, of course, you will so many things will populate, and then you can also just go through them and see which one suits you. If it is a job board, you can apply to it. If it is a websites, you can just go to contact us page, create your pitch, and then send them, and then wait. You can also get clients through word of mouth. You can also get clients from your previous clients. Very important, make sure you are treating them well. When you find a client, make sure that you're giving it your all. You write quality content and deliver it on time, so that when time comes, especially when it is during that dry season, that client will always remember you. They can give you the little job that they have. That is first and foremost, and then secondly, they can also refer you to their colleagues. So that's it. The most important thing, guys, is that you keep trying, and you keep looking for work in several places. So that, guys, that is how you market yourself as a freelance writer. The last thing that I would like to let you know is that I know this is a tedious process when you're starting out. Patience is key, because sometimes you may do all the things that I have mentioned above, but now the results may take time. So stay strong. You can also, in the meantime, you can keep working on your stuff, whether it is your blog that you're working on, your book, or a course, or anything else that you can be doing as you wait for those clients. Soon, and very soon, they will start knocking, and you will reap the benefits. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have learned something. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget that. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Click the red button, click the notification bell. It doesn't cost you a thing to subscribe, but you'll be helping me a lot when it comes to growing my channel, and also by sharing me out, and by giving me a thumbs up. You'll be making sure that this video reaches as many people who need it as possible. So thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye.